I am adding Delica seed beads to the edge of my band here, because later I'm going to do some bead weaving on the edges of my band, and by securing them through the band weaving, I'm creating a base to be able to do bead weaving later. And so in order to do this, I start off by making a loop like this, and then taking a beading needle. This is a beading needle, a large eye beading needle. And I'm going to put this on my weft thread like this. And then I'm going to put a little bead on there. And that is my cat Harley that you see behind me, helping me. Anyways, now I took that bead and I transferred it onto my weft thread. Okay, ta-da, there's my bead transferred onto my weft thread. Okay, now that's formed kind of a loop here. Okay, now I'm going to take my shuttle and I'm going to run my shuttle through that loop, just like that. Okay, and I'm going to set my shuttle up there out of my way. Now, I'm going to scoot this bead down along the weft thread really close into the bead, into the weaving. And now I'm going to tighten. I'm going to pull on the weft thread, and I'm going to tighten the weft thread down onto that bead, just like that. Okay, and I want to try to get this just as tight as I possibly can. Harley is trying to help me here. I'm going to try to get this just as tight as I possibly can here. Harley is trying to help me. There we go, that's pretty tight. Okay, then I'm going to go through and see, there's my bead there on the edge of there. Now I will go through and do my next pick. Let me pause this for just a second to show you, to get my next pick ready. Okay, I've picked up my appropriate threads for the pattern, and so I'm going to go ahead and push those in. And then this is where my bead was. See, that was the bead that we just added. And then I'm going to pull my weft thread through and secure that bead on in. And tighten it. And ta-da! I now have a bead added. Isn't that cute?